Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a successful YouTuber and making a living from your content? It's a tempting idea, isn't it? The thought of being your own boss, creating videos on topics you're passionate about, and potentially earning a substantial income, it's the kind of opportunity that many people find irresistible. However, the reality is that the vast majority of YouTubers struggle to make even a modest income from their videos. Studies show that the average YouTuber earns less than $500 per month from their channel. So, what's the secret to making more money than most YouTubers? In this video, we'll explore some proven strategies and tactics that can help you take your YouTube earnings to the next level. If you're eager to earn more money with your YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Understand the YouTube monetization landscape. To learn how to make money on YouTube, it's important to first understand the different methods available. There are 4 primary ways that YouTubers can earn money. 1. YouTube Partner Program. This is the most common way to earn income on YouTube. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, YouTubers can earn a share of the revenue generated from ads that are displayed on their videos. YouTube places ads on your videos, and you get paid based on the number of clicks and views. 2. Sponsorships and branded content. Many YouTubers also earn money by partnering with brands and creating sponsored content or product placements within their videos. YouTubers collaborate with brands that are relevant to their niche and feature their products or services in their videos. 3. Merchandise sales. Some successful YouTubers have built thriving merchandise businesses, selling t-shirts, mugs, and other branded products to their loyal fans. YouTubers design and sell their own branded products to their audience. 4. Crowdfunding and fan funding. Platforms like Patreon and YouTube Super Chat allow viewers to directly support their favorite creators through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. YouTubers can create exclusive content for their supporters and receive financial support from their audience. By understanding these different monetization models, YouTubers can identify the best opportunities for their particular channel and audience, and develop a strategy to effectively monetize their content. Focus on building a loyal audience. One of the most important factors in earning more money than the average YouTuber is building a loyal, engaged audience. The more viewers you have who are genuinely interested in your content and invested in your success, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your channel. Here are some tips for building a loyal YouTube audience. 1. Create consistently high-quality content. Consistency is key when it comes to building a following on YouTube. Aim to publish new videos on a regular schedule, and make sure that each video is well-produced, informative, and engaging. 2. Interact with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and find ways to connect with your audience on a personal level. This will help you build stronger relationships and foster a sense of community around your channel. 3. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to promote your YouTube content and engage with your followers outside of the platform. 4. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers who have complementary audiences can help you reach new viewers and cross-promote your content. 5. Offer exclusive content and perks. Consider creating a Patreon or YouTube membership program that allows your most dedicated fans to access exclusive content, behind-the-scenes footage, or other special perks. By focusing on building a loyal, engaged audience, you'll be well on your way to earning more than the average YouTuber. Diversify your monetization strategies. While the YouTube Partner Program is a great way to start earning money from your channel, it's important to diversify your monetization strategies to maximize your earning potential. Here are some additional ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. 1. Sponsorships and branded content. Reach out to brands that align with your niche and audience, and negotiate sponsorship deals, or create branded content that seamlessly integrates their products or services into your videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products or services as an affiliate, and earn a commission on any sales that are generated through your unique affiliate links. 3. Merchandise sales. Design and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or other branded merchandise to your loyal fans. 4. Crowdfunding and fan funding. Leverage platforms like Patreon or YouTube Super Chat to allow your viewers to directly support your content creation efforts. 5. Consulting or coaching. If you've developed expertise in a particular area, consider offering consulting or coaching services to your audience. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you'll be able to create multiple income streams and reduce your reliance on any single source of revenue. This can help you weather changes in the YouTube algorithm or fluctuations in advertising rates and ultimately earn more than the average YouTuber. Optimize your content for maximum earnings. In addition to diversifying your monetization strategies, it's also important to optimize your content for maximum earnings. Here are some tips to help you do just that. 1. Understand YouTube's algorithm. Stay up to date on the latest changes to YouTube's algorithm and adjust your content and promotion strategies accordingly. This may include using relevant keywords, creating engaging thumbnails, and encouraging viewer engagement. 2. Leverage YouTube analytics. Use the robust analytics tools provided by YouTube to track the performance of your videos and identify the content that resonates best with your audience. This can help you create more of the type of content that drives the highest engagement and earnings. 3. Experiment with different formats and lengths. While longer, more in-depth videos can be valuable, don't be afraid to experiment with shorter, more concise content as well. Some viewers may prefer quick, snackable videos, and these can be just as lucrative in terms of monetization. 4. Optimize for advertising. Make sure your videos are optimized for advertising by including relevant keywords, using appropriate tags and descriptions, and ensuring that your content is suitable for monetization. 5. Encourage viewer engagement. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos, as this can signal to YouTube's algorithm that your content is valuable and engaging. By continuously optimizing your content and leveraging the insights provided by YouTube's analytics, you can maximize the earning potential of your channel and outperform the average YouTuber. Leverage the power of influencer marketing. Another powerful strategy for earning more than the average YouTuber is to leverage the power of influencer marketing. By partnering with other influential creators in your niche, you can tap into new audiences and create valuable cross-promotional opportunities. Here are some tips for successful influencer marketing on YouTube. 1. Identify relevant influencers. Look for other YouTubers, bloggers, or social media personalities who have a similar target audience and complementary content. These are the influencers who are most likely to be interested in collaborating with you. 2. Reach out and pitch collaborations. Reach out to your potential influencer partners and pitch collaborative ideas, such as guest appearances, co-created content, or joint promotions. 3. Offer value. When approaching influencers, make sure to offer value in return, whether it's exposure to your audience, revenue sharing, or other mutually beneficial arrangements. 4. Promote the collaboration. Once you've secured a collaboration, make sure to promote it heavily across both of your channels to maximize the reach and impact. 5. Analyze and iterate. Track the performance of your influencer collaborations and use the insights to refine your strategy and identify the most effective partnerships. By leveraging the power of influencer marketing, you can tap into new audiences, increase your visibility, and ultimately earn more than the average YouTuber. Diversify your income streams beyond YouTube. While YouTube can be a highly lucrative platform for content creators, it's important to remember that it's not the only way to make money as a creator. By diversifying your income streams beyond just YouTube, you can further increase your earning potential and reduce your reliance on a single platform. Here are some additional income streams you can explore. 1. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Leverage your YouTube audience to drive traffic to a blog, where you can monetize your content through affiliate marketing, advertising, and other revenue streams. 2. Online courses and digital products. Create and sell online courses, ebooks, or other digital products that complement your YouTube content and provide additional value to your audience. 3. Consulting and coaching. Offer one-on-one or group coaching services, leveraging your expertise and experience to help others achieve their goals. 4. Speaking engagements and events. Capitalize on your YouTube success by securing speaking engagements, hosting workshops, or participating in industry events. 5. Licensing and syndication. Explore opportunities to license your content or intellectual property to other platforms, publishers, or media outlets. By diversifying your income streams, you can create a more sustainable and resilient business model, ultimately earning more than the average YouTuber. Conclusion: making more money than the average YouTuber is certainly achievable, but it requires a strategic and multifaceted approach. By focusing on building a loyal audience, diversifying your monetization strategies, optimizing your content for maximum earnings, leveraging the power of influencer marketing, and exploring income streams beyond just YouTube, you can position yourself for long-term success and financial stability. Remember, the key to earning more than the average YouTuber is to continuously adapt, experiment, and refine your strategies based on the ever-changing landscape of the platform. Stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks in pursuit of your goals. With the right mindset, the right strategies, and a commitment to delivering value to your audience, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving, profitable business, and earn more than most of your fellow creators in the process. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube earnings soar. And don't forget to check the links in our description below, and share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope to see you on the next one.